playground is the Bluebird, because I think it's my castle, because I double stuff.
And I'm a 7-year-old, and the things that I like on the park is the swings and the bird egg, because it's really fun.
My favorite thing is the bird and the swings and the egg.
Just sit on it, jump on it, sit, and then tippy toes. Wait, or you can do, and then you start with this, and you'll feel a little moving.
I'm not moving. I'm just wiggling.
My friend teach me this.
This here.